To me, SCAD is creative growth, really understanding what it takes to be a creative person. I'm coming from a law background, which all the information is given to you. It's very different when you're creating paintings from nothing, taking it from birth all the way through. SCAD just was this amazing preparation for being an artist, a career artist. I would recommend anybody, even as a second career, to start from the beginning again, to learn it all. That's the beauty of life.
My best friend was going here. He told me that they were looking for a new honeybee. I remember visiting and just seeing how amazing that group was and just seeing the vibrant school that this is. And I just jumped at the opportunity. 2 weeks later, I quit my job and I moved to Savannah full time.
I applied for a program because I'm a vet, and it got approved. That's my cue. That's my cue to move on and go back to my roots, which I love, and that was fashion design. I started researching schools. I only want the best schools. If I'm gonna do this, I gotta do it right. I found out about SCAD, got accepted, and just loving the experience of SCAD.
When Esteban was applying for colleges, we scheduled to go and see SCAD in Savannah. Throughout the whole process, I kept thinking, it should not be him going to art school, it should be me.
I was an elementary school teacher in South Korea, and then we moved to Savannah. I wanted to study fine art, and SCAD is very practical. You can learn how to think visually. This is very important in visual language like art. My husband supported and understood from the beginning. I'm very thankful for that.
I recommend SCAD because they're very open to people from whatever academic or professional background you've got, which I think is really great.
I'm excited about a whole new life ahead of me, and I'm so grateful to SCAD. That's exactly what I want to do. I'm in the right place.